there! Welcome to our cozy English corner again. I'm already smiling because today's topic is one of my favorites.
You're smiling because you saw that picture of the raccoon again, right? The one stealing a sandwich?
Maybe, maybe not. But honestly, that raccoon has the energy I need today.
Chaotic, slightly guilty, but determined?
Exactly. Anyway, hi everyone. It's so good to have you with us. Grab your tea or coffee and settle in. Today we're diving into wild animals, their names in English, how we feel about them, and maybe some fun facts.
And if you enjoy natural English conversations like this, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us keep creating for you.
Yes, please. It means a lot. All right, George, tell me, when you think wild animals, what's the first creature that jumps into your head?
A wolf. Always a wolf. There's something ancient and dignified about wolves. They're not just animals, they're symbols.
Yes. And they travel in packs, right? Family-oriented, loyal.
Exactly. And the pack structure is fascinating. There's leadership, cooperation, and a sense of belonging. Those are the kinds of patterns I appreciate.
For me, I think of elephants. Big, emotional, social, gentle giants. I mean, how can you not love them?
You're loving them because you see yourself in them.
Excuse me?
Not the size, the emotional memory. Elephants remember everything.
Okay, I'll accept that one. But seriously, wild animals are such a beautiful mix of strength, mystery, and instinct. And there are so many English names that learners mix up.
Oh, yes, like deer, one deer, two deer. The same word.
English is fun like that, or confusing. Depends on your mood.
Both. It's like a cat. Cute one moment, claws the next.
Speaking of cats, let's talk about the big ones. Lions, tigers, leopards, jaguars. People always mix them up.
True. And they each have their own unique style. Lions are social. They live in prides. Tigers are solitary, independent, powerful.
Jaguars? Oh, jaguars are incredible. They're like the gym lovers of the cat world. Very muscular.
Yes, the I go to the gym every day at 5 a.m. cats.
Exactly. And leopards, elegant, quiet, like dancers.
People often confuse leopards and cheetahs too.
Yes, cheetahs have that black tear line on the face.
And cheetahs are built for speed. They're the fastest land animals. They can accelerate incredibly fast.
They're like nature's sports cars.
Or motorcycles. Very aerodynamic.
So, dear listeners, if you hear predators, these cats usually belong in that group. Predators are animals that hunt for food.
And the opposite is prey. The animals that predators hunt, like antelopes, zebras, rabbits.
Rabbits.
Why did you say it like that?
They're too cute to be prey.
Nature disagrees with you.
Nature is wrong sometimes.
I'll let you argue with nature. I'm staying out of it.
Okay, moving on. Maybe we should go through some categories like mammals, birds, reptiles, fish.
Good idea. That gives structure, which I love.
You love structure more than some people love chocolate.
Yes, structure is reliable. Chocolate disappears.
Fair enough. So, mammals. We already mentioned wolves, elephants, and big cats.
Other wild mammals people know are bears, foxes, moose, bison, hyenas, monkeys, gorillas.
Wait, do you have a favorite bear?
I think the grizzly bear. Strong, impressive, but also calm unless provoked.
I love polar bears. They're so majestic.
And extremely dangerous.
Okay, yes, but we're allowed to admire them from a safe distance, like from another continent.
A very safe distance, preferably with an ocean between you and the bear.
True. And then there's the panda.
The symbol of cute but clumsy.
They are. Pandas are so sweet. They eat bamboo all day and roll around.
The greatest athletes of relaxation.
Exactly. Okay, wild primates. There are monkeys, but also gorillas, chimpanzees, baboons.
And gorillas are surprisingly gentle. People imagine them as aggressive because of movies, but they're calm and very social.
They have that quiet power. You can see it even in videos the way a silverback walks.
Yes, and chimpanzees are more unpredictable, intelligent, but also aggressive.
I always found monkeys interesting because they're so close to us in their gestures, their little hands, how they look at things.
Yes, that familiarity is almost touching.
Okay, let's jump to birds because this category is huge.
Are we going to talk about your favorite animal now?
Yes, the owl.
I knew it.
Owls are magical. Big eyes, silent wings, night hunters.
They're also symbols in many cultures. Wisdom, mystery.
And they turn their heads so far.
Not all the way around, though.
I know, but it looks like it. And their English names are lovely. Barn owl, snow owl, eagle owl.
Other wild birds include eagles, very powerful birds of prey, hawks, falcons, vultures.
And pigeons.
The true rulers of city streets.
Yes, they're everywhere. But okay, let's focus on wild birds. We also have parrots in the wild, macaws, cockatoos, African greys.
They're extremely smart. Some can imitate human speech.
I saw a video of a parrot saying, "I love you," like a dramatic opera singer.
Talented bird.
And flamingos.
The we stand on one leg because we can birds.
Yes, flamingos are so elegant.
Other wild birds are penguins too. Although they live in cold places, they're still wild animals.
Penguins make me emotional. They mate for long periods of time. They take care of each other.
They're very loyal.
Okay, reptiles, this is your territory.
Why do you say it like it's a compliment?
Because you like serious animals, and reptiles always look serious.
Fair enough. So, reptiles. Snakes, lizards, crocodiles, alligators, turtles, tortoises.
Snakes. Some are beautiful, but I'm scared of them.
Many people are. But snakes have an important ecological role. They control rodent populations.
You always find the practical side.
Someone has to.
Crocodiles and alligators. How do you explain the difference simply?
Crocodiles have a more V-shaped nose, alligators more U-shaped, and crocodiles live in saltwater more often.
That's a good explanation.
And turtles live in water, tortoises on land.
I always mix those two up.
Many learners do.
Bright. What about amphibians?
Frogs, toads, salamanders.
Frogs are cute. Toads, sorry, but no.
You're very emotional today.
Emotional is my brand, George.
And it works.
Okay, we can't forget ocean animals.
Which ones come to mind first?
Dolphins. They're so intelligent and playful. They even look like they're smiling.
They're the extroverts of the ocean.
Yes! And whales. Blue whales, orcas, humpback whales.
The blue whale is the largest animal ever known.
That fact always amazes me.
Sharks as well. Great white sharks, hammerhead sharks, tiger sharks.
Sharks scare me, but I respect them.
That's the right attitude.
And then, of course, the tiny but fascinating sea creatures. Seahorses, jellyfish, starfish, sea turtles.
A beautiful ecosystem. So fragile.
Yes. And this brings us to some useful English expressions that appear in conversations about animals or nature, like in the wild, on the brink of, a whole different world, live and let live, follow your instincts.
And creatures of habit, a phrase that applies both to animals and to people.
Especially to people.
We naturally form routines.
Yes, like you and your morning coffee ritual.
And you and your evening all watch only one video ritual?
George, don't expose me like that.
Just being honest.
Okay, let's get practical. Let's describe some wild animals in simple words for English learners.
Wolves, wild dogs that live in packs.
Elephants, huge gray animals with long trunks and big ears.
Bears, large mammals that can be brown, black, or white.
Foxes, small wild dogs with bushy tails, usually red.
Deer, elegant animals with long legs. Males have antlers.
Owls, birds that hunt at night with big round eyes.
Crocodiles, large reptiles with strong jaws living near water.
Jellyfish, soft sea creatures that float in water and sometimes sting.
Very poetic description.
Thank you. Let's continue.
Monkeys. Small primates that climb trees and use their hands very well.
Giraffes, tall African animals with long necks and spots.
Zebras. Animals with black and white stripes.
They look like nature wanted to draw something artistic. You know what animal I always forget to mention?
Which one?
The hippopotamus.
Ah, yes. The deceptively cute but extremely dangerous one.
I know. They look like giant marshmallows, but they run like athletes.
And they're very territorial. If you see a hippo yawning.
You run fast.
Exactly.
Hippos are a good example of how looks can be deceiving.
Many wild animals are like that. The ones that look cute are often not safe.
Like swans.
Swans will fight you.
Yes. People think they're elegant and peaceful, and then boom, angry feather swords.
Feather swords. I'll remember that.
You're welcome.
Since we're talking about unpredictable animals, let's mention wild boars.
Ooh, scary. Big, strong, very fast.
And very common in many forests. They can be aggressive if surprised.
Nature isn't a zoo. Wild animals follow their instincts.
Yes, humans romanticize them, but at the end of the day, they're still wild.
It's interesting how humans like to imagine they're part of nature, and yet sometimes forget they're also animals.
Especially early in the morning, before coffee.
That's our most animal moment.
Absolutely. So we talked about mammals, birds, reptiles, ocean creatures.
Ooh, insects.
Ah, yes, an essential category.
Spiders.
Not insects.
I know. Arachnids. But still, spiders live rent-free in my nightmares.
Many people feel that way, but they're incredibly useful. They catch mosquitoes, flies.
Yes, they're useful, but they also have 8 legs, George. 8.
More legs means more stability.
Oh, please. Let me talk about butterflies instead. Beautiful, delicate, colorful.
Butterflies are lovely, and their life cycle, from caterpillar to butterfly, is symbolic.
Transformation.
Exactly.
And bees, hardworking, social, living in hives.
Bees are organized.
I knew you'd like the organized insects.